When you go out with your friends and don't know what to order because you don't know what these drinks are, or maybe you're aware of them and not sure about the taste because you don't know how they are different from each other. So here we have a video, and by the end of this video we shall know how they are different from each other so that you can place your order with confidence rather than being confused. So here we have these 7 drinks which are commonly found in any coffee shops. All these drinks are espresso drinks, which means all these drinks have got espresso in them. Add water to espresso and you get Americano. Instead of adding water, you add milk foam to espresso, you get Macchiato. Similarly, instead of adding water or milk foam, if you add steamed milk to espresso, you get flat white espresso. As we can see, difference is nothing much, only the elements or the ingredients which goes in making these drinks are different, and that's it. But ingredients in cappuccino and latte are same. The only difference is ratio of milk and milk foam makes them different. And finally, adding chocolate syrup to cappuccino will give us mocha. Now you all must be wondering, what is this espresso? Espresso is somewhat similar to coffee, but it is stronger and thicker because it is used as base for coffee drinks. Espresso can't be consumed without diluting it. Taste of it is very bitter. We need to dilute it with either water or milk.